Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the process of changing the clutch in your Vitamix blender. To start, you'll need a few essential tools: a screwdriver set, a pair of pliers, and a clean cloth for internal cleaning. Make sure you have everything ready before beginning. First, unplug your Vitamix to ensure safety. Remove the container from the base, and then locate the screws on the bottom of the motor base. Using the appropriate screwdriver, carefully remove these screws and set them aside. Remember, keeping your screws organized is crucial for reassembly later. Once the screws are out, gently lift the base cover. You might encounter some resistance, so apply steady pressure. This will reveal the internal components, including the clutch. At this point, you should see the worn or damaged clutch that needs replacing. Using your pliers, detach the old clutch. Be cautious to avoid damaging any other components during this process. If you're unsure about handling this step, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation to help you assess the situation. Now, take your new clutch and align it with the motor shaft. Ensure it fits snugly before proceeding to reassemble the blender. If you don't have the tools or prefer not to tackle this on your own, remember we provide pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy to get your Vitamix serviced without hassle. With the new clutch in place, carefully replace the base cover. Make sure it fits correctly, and then secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Tighten them adequately but avoid over-tightening, as this can lead to damage. Next, it's time to clean the internal components. Use a clean cloth to wipe away any dust or residue inside the motor base. A clean interior ensures that your blender runs smoothly and efficiently. If you notice any additional issues during your inspection, it's important to address them. You can always request a quote before repair to understand the costs involved. Finally, plug your Vitamix back in and test the blender to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter any problems or if the blender doesn't operate as expected, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. We pride ourselves on providing excellent service with no calls, no travel, and the convenience of professional repairs right at your doorstep. Following these steps will help you successfully change the clutch in your Vitamix blender, restoring it to its full potential. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.